Hello, beautiful. Welcome to SoniaChic95 DIY Natural Hair channel. I will be sharing with you a natural hair treatment that is going to help you boost your hair growth. So, there are three amazing herbs that I'm going to be using in this DIY. The first one is green hibiscus leaf, and the second one is fresh red rose petals, and the third one is fresh aloe vera gel. Alright, after I am done rinsing out my fresh ingredients, it's time to start the process. On this DIY hair growth booster, you can use this treatment as a leave-in, or you can use it as a rinse out conditioner. Since I already have about 2 or 3 different videos on this channel, me making fresh aloe vera gel, so I am not going to show you how I do it. I was just showing you how I remove the yellow slime out of my fresh aloe vera gel before mixing it with my other ingredients. After I am done adding in my fresh aloe vera gel, the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add in half cup of water. Then I'm gonna let it cook for like 10 to 15 minutes and turn off the stove and let it cool down. When it's cool, then I'm gonna screen it, and after screening it, I will put it into my spray bottle. Then I'm going to spray on my scalp and massage my scalp. After that, I am going to let it sit in my hair for like a couple of hours. As I said, sometimes I do rinse it out, and other time I do leave it in. Alright, let me tell you a little bit about hibiscus leaf. Hibiscus leaf is amazing for the scalp. It keeps the scalp clean and well moisturized. Then let's talk about rose petals. Rose's petals is amazing for the skin. It also boosts hair growth. Yes, let's not forget about aloe vera gel. To tell you the truth, it's amazing. It keeps my 4C natural hair super moisturized. All three of these ingredients has a super moisturizing property. You know why it's going to boost your hair growth? Because with clean scalp and well moisturized hair, it's almost impossible for your hair not to grow. Because first of all, natural hair love to be cared for. With proper care and the proper treatment, your hair is definitely going to grow. Alright, beautiful, as you can see right here, I am just spraying a little bit of this product on my scalp and doing a gentle massage. Massage my natural hair gently. After that, I'm going to let my hair air dry, or I am going to rinse out this product after like 45 minutes or 2 hours and rinse it out. Then I will go in with my regular leave-in conditioner, and I just style my natural hair the next day. I will see you in my next one.